In this video, I'll show you how to add a description to your YouTube Shorts. It's a very simple method that you can do while uploading your short. Adding a good description can help with discoverability and provide context for your viewers. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube and start the upload. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a central plus icon plus. Tap on it to create a new video. Step 2. Select or record your short. You can now record a new short directly or choose select a video to pick one from your camera roll. Choose or record the video you want to upload and proceed. Step 3. Proceed to the details screen. After selecting your video, tap the next button in the bottom right corner. Your video will process briefly. Step 4. Add a title and access the description. On the next screen, you'll see the option to add a caption. This is your short's main title or headline. To add a full description, look for the Show More text or an arrow below the caption field and tap it. This will expand additional options. Step 5. Enter your description. You should now see a field labeled Add Description or Description. Tap on it. This is where you can write a longer description, add relevant hashtags, include links if eligible, or give context to your video. Enter your desired text. Step 6. Finalize and upload. Once you've written your description, simply go back to the main upload screen. You'll see your description now appears. When you're completely ready, tap Upload Short in the top right corner to publish it. And that's it. You've successfully added a description to your YouTube short. This is a great practice for improving your video's searchability and viewer engagement. If this quick tutorial helped you, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.